up, guys? It's a really disgusting day out, which is a perfect day for me because I gotta clean my engine, and when it's dirty like this, nobody's out washing their car. There's no crazy lines at the self-service car wash, and that's what I gotta use when I clean my car. So today I'm just gonna be cleaning my engine on the Acura, and I just want to get it real good clean so I can find this leak. I have a leak in the power steering system, so just gonna try to find that later on. But for today, I see a perfect rainy day, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that to clean the Acura, the engine of the Acura. So let's get it. Here she is. Can't actually drive it yet. I gotta go to Autozone to get oil. So wrong car. Let's go. The Buick, and something just came up. I'm gonna try to see if I can pick that up, and when I pick that up, or if I pick that up, either way I'm gonna go ahead and get some oil. I don't think I got coolant, so yeah, I'm just getting some oil on my way back. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up this bed frame, and then pick up oil, come back, fill the Acura with oil, and then I can drive her to go clean off the engine. She's got a lot of leaks. That was a leaky car. She's got a lot of work to be done, a lot of love needed, but we gonna, slowly over time, we're gonna show her some love. So let's get it. Yeah, I'm finally out of there, man. I feel like every single time I go to AutoZone, it's always at least 15 minutes and there's only 2 people in the line. Y'all saw. Yeah, it's just like 2 people in there, and then there's like 3 people working, but one of them's like, doing whatever in the back. That's how it's supposed to be. But then there's like 2 people just will work there, or man, whatever, yo. We're gonna go ahead, fill this oil up, and then be able to drive the car and then get it to where I need to go to wash it. So yeah, let's just head back home. I'm all just happy to be out of there, man. I was just like getting anxious, but yeah, let's just get up out of here and continue the day. All right, so we're here. Like I thought, nobody was gonna be here. Yeah, everybody's probably wondering why we're watching our car in the rain, but so we got over here. I mostly gotta clean this section here. If you wanna get in here. Mostly gotta clean this section just cause it's not leaking now. I just checked the power steering, but it's not leaking right now because it's still just as much that was in there when we left. So I don't know what's really happening, but last time I came to start my car, there was no power steering fluid and the wheel was really tight. I thought I was about to mess up the system, but so I don't know what's happening. There's no leak or nothing. Come here. Yeah, but yeah, either way, I'm just gonna wash all this up. That way, if it does start to leak, I can see where it's coming from. It's like a lot of oil all over this hose right here. Also, it gets darker right here. So I'm sure something's going on with it. I don't know exactly why it's not, more fluid out of it right now. Yeah, so I got a bunch of plastic bags, and Just gonna put it over like all the electrical shit, and then we're gonna like scrub away after we spray all this. We got the same stuff as last time that I showed you guys when I was working on the 350. Just like $3 engine degreaser. Just gonna spray that everywhere, scrub it up, and then yeah, and then rinse it off. Mainly just like the electrical clips, things like that you just don't want to get too wet. Everything's okay, like everything's meant to be water resistant, but you don't want to drown it for no reason. Just try to avoid any problems. Look how dirty this engine is, like oil all over. Yeah. Yeah. Spray it like crazy. Is this a bee? What is that? Ew. I didn't clean in there because I don't have like connector cleaner. I don't want to get it all wet in there and compromise the connection. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit for like 10 minutes. I guess I'll go ahead and do the other side too, so it's not uneven. It's gonna be really clean on this side and then dirty on that side. It'll look ridiculous. So, you don't mind waiting? You're good? Huh? You can tell. It's like edited, whatever.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
I thought you were asking the video. You don't mind waiting? I'm like, okay. Interactive.
Awesome, Dora. Where should I clean next? Alright. I guess I'll cover the battery terminals. Well, basically, like I was saying, like you don't really have to, like nothing really has to be like airtight or tied around it because everything's meant to get wet. You just want to cover like naked wires, the alternator, battery terminals. I don't really think you have to do this. It's just me being paranoid. And yeah, just, you know, just try to be like precautious and careful. Also, we're using a power washer, and you're not really supposed to power wash things, so I'm not gonna like spray, like pull the trigger and spray it hard. I'm just gonna let that mist that comes out while it's running. I'm just gonna use the mist.
There's a parking ticket.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot going on with this car. I have to do like a whole coolant flush because I have a hose back here that's definitely leaking and maybe letting in air. It's got like, I got just like a couple problems with the systems, and I have a feeling it has to do with like the hoses, but not really gonna be able to figure that out until I find the leak. So I think the best thing to do for now is just like clean it up real good, let it dry off, and then put some cardboard under it while I let it sit overnight. And just maybe if I can find like the leaks on the cardboard, I can just like look up and see where it's coming from. Or since I'm cleaning all this, I'll be able to see where like new oil or new coolant, power steering oil, anything like that, I'll just be able to see it, you know. So that's my goal for cleaning up everything. Also, just haven't showed this car much love lately, so I want it to be something nice, you know. Just sitting here, I feel bad for it. It's not perfect, but you know, it's mainly just this side. Hopefully I can get all this grime off that's like surrounding the pump. Try to get that with the hose. If I can't get it with the hose, then I'll probably buy a toothbrush, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be clear enough that it'll be obvious if something leaks. We'll get that on camera. Why deny me?
What happened?
Shop off $5. Why the f? Hold on. You don't have your card on, dude.
Wait, how do you stop
You
this?
can keep it on. It's fine.
I have it. No, right good. You spent all your stimulus.
Can't deny cash. Okay. So there's already a lot of pressure. So I'm gonna stand pretty far back from the car. You know, everybody like, what the fuck is he doing? Let's see if they're charging. Will they charge me? Oh yeah, I guess you have to use $5.
You want a shower? You want to wash up?
I guess I have to pay $5. Ooh, got the engine really cleaned up. I'm about to take the bags off now. And yeah, I'll look out for that leak. I'll give you guys an update on the next video, but I think I'm gonna end it here because definitely did everything I needed to and planned to today. So yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Thanks for watching.